Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a mini Vivaldi 2 espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the vacuum release valve, the one that you see right here. This one's unfortunately leaking. And we also did a tune-up on the machine replacing the gasket. This gasket, as you can see, is extremely hard. It's just cracking a little bit places. Definitely needed to be replaced. We also deep cleaned the shower screen, and as you can see, it's having an excellent shower water flow coming out from the group head. And water working perfectly fine. We also descaled the machine. It took a while for the machine to actually get descaled. We find lots of scales, especially on the blue side of the machine. And yeah, that's all we did. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.